A tournament had 6 players. Each player played every other player only once, with no ties. If Helen won 4 games, INES won 3 games, Janet won 2 games, KENDRA won 2 games, and LARA won 2 games, how many games did Monica win? To determine the number of games for a single round-robin tournament, we use the following formula: n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is equal to number of teams players. Since there are 6 players in this tournament, total number of games played will be 6 multiplied by 6 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 equal to 30 by 2, which is then equal to 15 games. Given Helen won 4 games, INES won 3 games, Janet won 2 games, KENDRA won 2 games, and LARA won 2 games. Since there are no ties, one person wins from each game. Therefore, total number of games finished is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 13 games. Therefore, Monica needs to win total number of games minus number of games finished is equal to 15 minus 13 equal to 2 games.